Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it. And as you can see, we are defaultly on the photo mode. So usually you have to switch to the video one right here, but not in this model. Here all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, because there we can find the options connected to the photo and the video. So as you can see here, we've got the settings, we've got the general photo and the video. So let's focus on this video section. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got let's say 3 different options of the resolution from which we can choose. So right now we've got 4K, 1080p option, or 720p, and I did not finish my sentence. I wanted to say that right now we've got 4K option applied. This option is marked, and for every resolution option we've got frame rate, which we can also change. So right now we've got, for example, we've got 4K with 60 frames per second, but we can set also 30 frames per second. And all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So since we've got 4K applied, let me pick 1080p. As you can see right now, this option is active, it is marked. And again, we can change the frame rate. So for example, let me pick 30 frames per second. And actually this is it, because whenever you will change the option, then your device will immediately apply it. What's more, it will be visible right here. As you can see, we've got the details of the resolution we just picked. So let's get back, and actually this is it. This is how to change the resolution in your device in this Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. But a quick disclaimer, I highly recommend to keep the 4K option, because it is the best possible here with 60 frames per second. So actually this is it. This is how to change the video resolution in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.